Hi there, I'm Kathy, and welcome back to the Holistic Living series here on the Grace Over Guilt channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us carry stress, shame, or confusion around: food. More specifically, how to nourish your body in a way that feels good, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, and spiritually too. Because for a lot of us, food hasn't always felt like nourishment. It's felt like a battleground, a source of guilt, a cycle of rules and restriction. But what if there was a different way? Let's name the elephant in the room. Most of us grew up steeped in diet culture. We were taught to count calories, fear carbs, skip meals, and equate thinness with health. We were told that being good meant eating salad and being bad meant having dessert. We measured our worth by the number on the scale and called it discipline. But diet culture is not the same as nourishment. It's rooted in control and shame. Nourishment, on the other hand, is rooted in respect and care. It's about asking, what does my body need today? Not how can I eat the least and still function? Nourishing your body doesn't mean following someone else's rules. It means tuning into your own signals and responding with kindness. It might look like eating a warm, grounding meal when you're feeling anxious, choosing foods that give you steady energy, not just a quick fix, enjoying something sweet without guilt, simply because it brings you joy, drinking water before your third cup of coffee because your body asked for it, noticing how different foods make you feel physically and emotionally, honoring your hunger before it turns into burnout or binging. It's not about perfection, it's about presence, about learning to trust yourself again. One of the biggest shifts in holistic nourishment is moving from control to curiosity. Instead of labeling foods as good or bad, ask yourself, how do I feel after I eat this? Did that give me energy or leave me feeling drained? Was I eating out of hunger or out of habit, boredom, or emotion? These aren't judgmental questions, they're compassionate ones. They help you tune in, not clamp down. And here's the beautiful thing: the more you practice this, the more you build trust with your body, and trust leads to freedom. So I want to say this clearly, especially if you struggled with disordered eating or harsh food rules, your body deserves to be fed. Not just when you've earned it, not just when you feel like you've been good, every single day, no matter what. Food is not the enemy. It's a gift. It's a form of care. It's one of the many ways you get to say, I matter. You don't need to punish yourself into wellness. You can nourish yourself into wholeness. So let's open up the conversation. What's one small way you're learning to nourish yourself with more care and less shame? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hold space for you. And if you're looking for more tools or support with your relationship with food and body, visit us anytime at graceoverguilt.org. And as always, you are seen, you are loved, you are not alone. Until next time, take care of your heart and take care of each other.